Bangalore to conduct a cadaveric course to make our new beginning spine surgeons where they want to learn about our methodology, the transforaminal endoscopy. My experience about this place is very good. They have very neat and proper arrangement with the cadavers, and they have everything what a surgeon would need to work on the cadaver, like the C-arm primarily. And we could also arrange for instruments, so surgery could be demonstrated without much efforts, very properly. The quality of the cadavers is very good. They are very soft and properly maintained, frozen and thawed just prior to the use. This is not the first time that I have come here. I have conducted some courses in the past also, and my experience has been uniformly good. Now, the arrangements by GHA has been very good. Most of the people are fully aware of the details of the program, where it is, the location, and the other paraphernalia. So I think that from such a course, the surgeon expects to learn the anatomy in a new perspective and to do the surgery in a better fashion, which will help the patient much more than the conventional surgery. My surgery, for example, is stitchless and the local anesthesia. So it makes sense in learning this new technique. And I think with the help of the setup in Ramaiah, with the GHA supporting the activity and our delegates actively participating, we are very happy to say we have had a pretty good interactive